Hi friends, today you worked on hearing and saying 4 or more sounds that are in a word. You're going to be on Schoology today and you need to say the picture. So right here is a picture of a plant. I need to find the parts of the word and then we'll drag them in the right order in these spaces. So the word plant, the first sound I hear is P. I'm going to find it, the letter P, and move it to the first box. So we have P, O. The letter L would go here. P, O, E, A. So letter A. N, letter N, T, and then letter T. So I'm not going to use all of the choices at the bottom. You should have about one left on every question. When you're done, you can click the next button and keep going until you finish the activity.